Welcome to my channel Chubby Views. Today in this video you'll know about a girl named Yeonmi Park escaped from North Korea to protect her life. Yeonmi Park shared her life experience, nightmares and her difficulties in North Korea and their illegal activities and daily life of North Koreans. Kim Jong-un is the supreme leader of North Korea. Every people in North Korea has to obey and worship his words. Yeonmi Park was born in 1993 at northern city of Haesan near the border of China. Her father was trafficked in Chinese, made goods on the black markets, clothes, cigarettes, sugar and rice. Later smuggled stolen metals into China. At one point he was arrested and sent to a forced labor camp. In 2007, Yeonmi Park's older sister, Yeonmi Park, who was 16 at that time, escaped to China with the help of smugglers. As her older sister escaped, even she and her mother escaped to China with the help of smugglers in 2007 itself, hoping to reunite there. Once across the border of China, Park says that one of the brokers tried to rape her, but her mother offered herself and was raped instead of Yeonmi Park. Eventually, her mother was sold as a bride to a Chinese farmer in the countryside. To send her back to her parents, she asked the smuggler to help, but he asked her to be his mistress, and Park was raped repeatedly and she had no choice but tolerating it. At last, smuggler brought back her mother and father died of colon cancer. Yeonmi Park came to the world's attention in 2014 with a speech that recounted her escape from North Korea and life under that brutal government. Park escaped from North Korea at the age of 13, crossing the partly frozen Yalu River into China in 2007. She says that she endured repeated sexual exploitation at the hands of human trafficker and watched as her mother was sold off and forced to marry a Chinese farmer. Park later trekked across the Gobi Desert to seek refuge in Mongolia before reaching South Korea. In her speech, she said about all her experience and difficulties faced in North Korea and the life she was leading in North Korea. She gave a widely watched speech at Young Leaders Summit in Dublin, Ireland, where everyone was shocked and surprised. Even the audience were crying. After the speech she gave there, she moved to America, Chicago, where she is living now there. She said there were schools who taught them a hardline stance towards its enemies countries, America and Japan. There is no proper electricity and internet connections in North Korea. She even said that they are not allowed to see the Hollywood movies and her friend's mother was executed for seeing a Hollywood movie. And also they are not allowed to make unauthorized international phone calls and they can't even wear clothes which they like to wear. She also said in their country their televisions has only one channel in which they all said about news about Kim Jong-un and to devote him by the people of North Korea. At last in her speech, she also requested to help North Korea people who are all waiting to escape from there. She said if someone tried to escape from there, they were all being killed by North Korean authorities. Even they have a pleasure squad where young and beautiful women and girls are kept as a slave for their pleasure purpose. Yeonmi Park is a brave and a young girl who said about the true face of North Korea, where no one can ever imagine the brutality in North Korea. Here the humans don't have any right to do anything. They should just only obey Kim Jong-un, who is a very cruel and unhuman person. She also said at last, whatever is said till now is a truth. If you think it is a lie, you can kill me or execute me. Now she is living an ordinary life. She is living in Chicago with an American husband and she has a son, and she is also studying economics in Columbia University. Her complete story of her life is written in the book named In Order to Live, A North Korean Girl's Journey to Freedom. Now let's see some of the real speeches given by Yeonmi Park on stage.
North Korea is an unimaginable country. There is only one channel on TV. There is no internet. We aren't free to sing, say, wear, or think what we want. North Korea is the only country in the world that executes people for making unauthorized international phone calls. North Korean refugees, about 300,000, are vulnerable in China. 70% of North Korean and teenage girls are being victimized, sometimes sold for as little as $200. Please join me as we make this a global movement to free North Koreans.
We all hope that one day North Korea will also be a free and democratic and diplomatic country like others. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, click the like button and click the bell icon to know my new updates.